So the question is, we have y is equal to 2x here plus 5x minus 12, and examiner says that you have to be get the graph and clearly mention the coordinate, intercept, and turning point. All right. So I just told you we have to find the three main things. One, x-intercept. Second, y-intercept. The third, turning point. So let's I'm going to now let's we have to talk about the x-intercept here. We are talking about the y-intercept, and we are talking about turning point. Now for the x-intercepts, we just have to tell yes, at x-intercept, which value is 0? We are talking about here. It is the x-intercept, which value is 0 here? What is the value of the y-coordinate?
The value of the y coordinate is x is equals to 0.
X0 or y0?
Y is equal to
No,
0.
y is equals to 0.
Yeah, y is equal to 0, and for the x-intercept, we have x is equal to 0. So for the x-intercept, we have to be substitute y is equal to 0, and for the y-intercept, we will substitute x is equal to 0. Let's simplify them. What you will get? We have the equation so let's have to substitute y is equal to 0. I'm going to get the equation 2x squared plus 5x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. You can solve it by any method. I'm just going to be doing it by the quadratic formula. All right. The quadratic formula that we have is a is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where you have a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to minus 12. So we are going to get x is equal to minus b is 5 plus minus square root. The value of the b is 5 square minus 4. A is 2 and c is minus 12 divided by 2a. Let's simplify them. We are going to be get x is equal to minus 5 plus minus 5 square is 25 minus and minus is plus. We will get 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 multiplied by 12 will be 96 divided by 2 times 2 is 4. Now we'll get that x is equal to minus 5 plus minus square root of 25 plus 96, it will be 121. Yes, the square root of 121 is equal to
11.
It will be 11 divided by 4. Now we have positive and negative values. We will split them. We will split them with a positive value, positive 11 over 4. And we have x is equal to negative 5 minus 11 over 4. So we'll get that x is equal to 11 minus 5 will be 6 over 4. That will be 3 over 2 means 1.5. And minus 11 minus 5 will be minus 16. 16 over 4 will be minus 4. So we will get the x-intercept. We'll get the x-intercepts 1, 1.5, 0 and minus 4, 0. Yes, anyone have a question about the x-intercept? Yes, Ali Muhammad, Ahmad Hamza,
No, clear, mister.
No, mister.
Rahaf Ahmed.
Clear, mister.
Yes, Iyad. Ahmed Muhammad.
Yeah, Mr. Clear.
All right, now we have to find a y-intercept. All right. The y-intercept, we have to substitute x is equal to 0. So let's substitute it. Y is equal to 2 into 0 raised to power 2, 5 into 0, minus 12. So I'm going to get the value. Obviously, this value will be 0. This value will be 0. I will get minus 12. So I'm going to get the y-intercept would be y-intercept would be 0, minus 12. Now the last thing is going to be left, that is the turning point. Okay. For the turning point, you have to remember that for turning point, you need to rewrite the equation in this form: a into x plus b whole square minus plus c. You have to rewrite the equation in this format, means you have to write the equation into the completing square. All right. The same thing that we have done above here. We are finding the inverse of quadratic one and we have to do the completing square here, right? So the same thing that we need to be do. All right. We have to write the equation into the completing square form. So let's do it. Now, for the completing square, the first step is the coefficient of x square must be 1. So there is a 2 here. So I just want to remove the 2 from here. So I'm just dividing the 2 with each term. Divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. So I will get the equation y divided by 2 is equal to x square plus 5 over 2x minus 6. Yes, anyone have a question till here?
No, clear.
Yes, rest of the done. Ahmad Hamza, Yad,
Clear.
Muhammad.
All clear.
Okay. Now do the completing square. We need to be write the equation in this form that I told you: x plus b whole square minus b square minus 6 as it is. So what is the value here? You have to multiply the coefficient of x with 1 by 2. So you'll get 5 by 4, positive 5 by 4. So basically, this is the completing square step. The rest of the steps are just simplification. So y divided by 2 is equal to x plus 5 over 4 whole square. I'm using a calculator. A second, I'll share my screen. Yes, can you see my screen? We have 5 square means 25 divided by 4 square means 16 minus 6. So I'm going to get minus 121 over 16. Minus 121 over 16. Now 2 is dividing, so on the other side it will be multiply. So 2 into 5 over 4 whole square minus 2 into 121 over 16. So y is equal to 2 into x plus 5 over 4 whole square minus 121 over 8. So look at here what we have done till here. We just write the equation into the completing square form. That's it. We did not do anything. We just are going to be achieve this form. A into x plus b whole square plus c. Now after writing this form, your turning point is this is your x coordinate. You have to change the sign to be minus b. And this is basically your y coordinate, that is your c. So minus b comma c is basically your turning point. So always remember, if examiner gives you a quadratic equation and he says that find the turning point, so in by using the algebra, so what you have to do, you have to write the equation into the completing square. After writing it, you have this is your basically x coordinate, change the sign, and this is your exact y coordinate. Yes, everyone, is it here?
Yes, Mr. It's clear.
Clear.
Next, I will take this information down.
Yeah.
So from here, I'm going to be get the turning point is the this is the x coordinate, that is minus 5 by 4. It is minus 121 over 8. In the decimal form, minus 5 by 4 is minus 1.25, and minus 121 over 8 would be minus 121 divided by 121 divided by 8. 15.125. 15.125. This is my turning point.
Mister,
So look
it's
at
negative.
here. Yeah, it's negative. So look at here, examiner gives you a quadratic equation and we are just going to sketch the graph. For the sketching the graph, we need x-intercept, y-intercept, and the turning point. So we have to find all of them. Let's sketch the graph. I'm going to sketch it here. So we have the x-intercepts are minus 4 and 1.5. So the graph is going to be look like this. This is my y-intercept. The y-intercept I find is minus 12. And the turning point is this is the turning point. So this is minus 1.25 and it is my minus 15.125. So this is the graph. So always remember, if examiner says, yeah, you have to draw the quadratic graph, what you have to mention x-intercepts, y-intercepts, and turning point. Yes, everyone. Any question?
No, Mr.
All right. Let's check it. Here. So what is the question we have? It was
X squared plus 5x minus 12.
2x squared plus 5x minus 12. Yeah.
Yes.
So two x squared minus 5x plus 12. have to do something wrong. X here, we are getting something, values are different. Plus 5x, sorry. It is plus 5x and 12 would be minus. Yeah. Now look at here. The x-intercept is -4 and it is minus 1.5. Y-intercept is -12 and the turning point you will get -1.25 and -15.125. Yes, sir. It is clear. This is how you have to make the rough sketching of quadratic. Yes, anyone have a question till here?
No, Mr. Thank you.
Okay, now till here we just understand that how to draw the quadratic graph. Now we are talking about the graphical relation of the function and with its inverse. What we are talking about now? The graphical relation of
Mister, can you give us an example so that we can solve it?
from the previous question.
Yes. Like give us an quadratic equation and we should solve it.
All right, let's make some change here. Check the. All right, 1 second. I will find the question. Because I just want to give you the question in which it is going to be exactly getting the values. All right. The question is exactly same. We have to be sketch the graph. I'm just going to be making a change in the equation. Now we have the equation is y f of x is equal to or y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9. Yes, everyone, please do this question. You have to find the x-intercepts, y-intercept, and you need to find the turning point. Just note down the question, so I'll move up so you can take the reference from that question.
Mister, I sent you the solution.
Mister, I sent it.
Mister, your mic is muted.
Mister, are you talking? Because your mic is muted.
Yes, Mister, we can't hear you.
All right, now we are talking about the graphical relation of the function and its inverse. Okay, we are just going to be go through from a small example, and inshallah we are going to do it in detail in the next class. Now we have f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. So let me have y is equal to 3x minus 1. We have to make x as a subject, so y plus 1 is equal to 3x. So y plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to x. So now we have to replace y with x and x with the inverse function. So look at here, I'm going to be getting the f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. And we have f inverse of x is equal to x plus 1 divided by 3. Yes, everyone, any question?
No, clear.
Okay, I just find the inverse. Now, the main thing that I want to tell you. Okay, for example, look at here. It is just going to be look like same that you have y is equal to mx plus c. So they are basically in the same way. If you have to split them, it will be y is equal to mx plus c as well. They are the straight lines. So we have to draw it the straight lines. How it is going to be look like? If I'm going to be draw the coordinates, so the lines are going to be look like there is a line here that will be y is equal to x. All right. I'm not sure exactly, but I'm pretty sure the graph of this one is going to be look like it is going to be if the one line is going to be like here, the second line is going to be like here. All right. Means the each graph, for example, this is the main line, so it is going to be a reflection of this one. When you are drawing the inverse function, so the inverse function is nothing new. It is just the reflection through y is equal to x. Means the reflection of this point is going to be reflecting to here. The reflecting of this point is going to be here and like this way. All right. I'm just making a rough sketch. We have to check it in the graph by using the graph. GeoGebra. Okay. Yes, what is the first equation we have? 3x minus 1. This is the line. And the second line we have bracket x plus 1 divided by
3.
3. I'm just going to be drawing another line that y
Y is
is
equal
equal
to
to
x.
x. So look at here. When I'm going to draw it, look at here, you are going to be getting the reflection of the function of each other. Hmm. Which should I go? Now look at here. The green one is basically the function 3x minus 1. The red one is basically a line y is equal to x. And the inverse function is your f inverse of x is basically x plus 1 divided by 3. So look at here. It is going to be a reflection of each point through y is equal to x. So always remember when you are finding the inverse function, basically you are finding the reflection through y is equal to x. Yes, everyone, any question till here? It is clear? Yes, anyone have a question till here?
Oh, it's clear, Mr.
Okay. So now
No,
here's the
Mr.
info.
Clear.
Not clear
All clear.
or all clear? All right. Now the important point is, so for example, if you have a function and its inverse or reflection of each other in the line y is equal to x. All right. It is not for the linear graph, okay? If it is quadratic or any other one, that's the same thing. It doesn't matter how the graph is going to look like. Inshallah, we are just going to be discuss in detail about the graphical relation of the function and its inverse. Yes, anyone have a question till here? Yes, Salim Muhammad, Ahmed Hamza, Raf Ahmed.
No, I clear.
Yes, Rahaf Ahmed, Ahmed Hamza. Ahmed Hamza.